Side by side, 2 buildings with 2 bedrooms and 6 one-bedroom units in each building, for a total of 16 units. Each apartment has its own balcony. There are limited parking spaces under each building. Buildings are generating between $72,000 and $80,000 annually. With some upgrades, these buildings could be even more productive. One of the buildings, allowing you to see the architectural detail from the side. Front of the second building, showing balconies and a closer look at the parking underneath. From the hallway on the first floor. There are 2 apartments on the left and 1 to the right. This building has a freshly painted stairwell. Heading up the stairs. The middle level with a 2-bedroom unit on the right side. Iron stair railings. At the top floor in the building, the open brickwork allows for a well-lit stairwell and good air circulation. This is on the 1-bedroom side of the top floor. The individual potable water connections have just been added and are separately metered for each unit. An office space for interviewing prospective tenants and keeping up with your paperwork. The first building is the damaged building. It has historically housed a laundromat, store and apartments. It is currently not occupied. Make it whatever works best for you. This is an opportunity to own property in town and have it pay your bills. Your blank slate. Clear it and make a parking lot. An opportunity to have 3 buildings producing income for you. Yes, there is work to be done, but anything worth having is going to take some work. Call to take a look at the numbers.